Good morning to all of you, dear students. Today, your turn is English. Today, I am telling you about model auxiliary verb. प्रिय भैया बनो, मॉडल ऑक्सिलरी वर्ब क्या है? यह हेल्पिंग वर्ब की तरह कार्य करता है. इट इज यूज्ड बिफोर मेन वर्ब. इट ऑलवेज टेक द बेस फॉर्म ऑफ द मेन वर्ब. In present tense or past tense, you use only base form of the verb with modal auxiliary verb. So, this dear students, I am telling you some modal auxiliary verb and its uses. First word is can. In past tense, could. It is used for ability, capacity, power, permission and prohibition. इसका प्रयोग योग्यता, क्षमता, शक्ति, अनुमति मांगना या देना और निषेध आदि बातों के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता है. जैसे एबिलिटी, फॉर एबिलिटी यू कैन स्विम. पावर, प्रिंसिपल कैन ग्रांट माई लीव. कैन यू अंडरस्टैंड योर टीचर. कैपेसिटी, you can park your scooter here. For permission, can I smoke here? Taking permission. You cannot smoke in the temple. Nishedh, prohibition. In past tense, it is used for same qualities as ability, powers, capacity, permission and prohibition. In past tense also you can use, but meaning is different. For example, you can swim, you could swim means you can swim तुम तैर सकते हो. You could swim तुम तैर सकते थे. Principal could grant you leave. Can you understand? Could I smoke here? You could not smoke in the temple. That's all, students. Use of may and might. May means sakna, but in the use of may there is a lack of determination. may में दृढ़ता की कमी होती है. It is used for permission, taking or giving, possibility, probability, wish and pray. For example, may I come in? Yes, you may come. For taking permission or giving permission. Possibility, he may come here today. Possibility, संभावना वह यहाँ आ सकता है. प्रिंसिपल मे नॉट ग्रांट यू लीव. संभवतः प्रधानाचार्य तुम्हें अवकाश न दें. शुभकामना प्रार्थना के लिए मे यू लिव लॉन्ग. मे गॉड ब्लेस यू. इन पास्ट टेंस might is also used for giving or taking permission and possibility. I told him that he might go home. He might see his father yesterday. Sudha fell ill. She might fail. It might rain today. That's all. Shall and should. Shall is used in past future tense. It is used first person pronoun I and we for future. I shall read a novel. We shall play a match. In second person you and third person he, she, it, they, it is used only for promise, command and threat. Past शैल का प्रयोग सेकेंड और थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन के साथ, नाउन के साथ वादा, आदेश और धमकी के लिए किया जाता है। यू शैल नॉट डू इट अगेन, इट इज ऑर्डर। शी शैल बी टर्न आउट, धमकी। ही शैल गेट अ बाइसिकल, प्रॉमिस। In past tense, should used for suggestion, advice, duty और moral obligation, कर्तव्य और नैतिक दायित्व के लिए इसका प्रयोग किया जाता है। जैसे यू शुड नॉट मेक नॉइज हियर। सलाह, वी शुड वर्शिप गॉड डेली, इट इज सजेशन। The rich should help the poor, it is a duty. Everyone should obey his parents, it is a moral obligation. Next, will, would. Dear students, will used in future tense. It is used second person and third person he, she, it to show future. You will read novel, she will sing a song, they will play a match. In first person pronoun I and we, it is used for determination, threat, intention, suggestion and promise. We will help you, स्वेच्छा से, निश्चय हम तुम्हारी मदद करेंगे। I will return your book tomorrow, it is a promise. I will turn you out if you are not silent, धमकी है। In future tense, in past tense, it will change into would. Would is used for same thing. He wrote me that he would come here soon. The problem was how he would reach there. Next, use of must. Must means चाहिए, but it is used for compulsory, for doing something. It is used for necessary, obligation and conclusion and prohibition. इसका प्रयोग किसी चीज की अनिवार्यता के लिए किया जाता है। You must take this medicine regularly. Necessity. It is the example of necessity. My friend must be here in this time. ये धारणा है। यू मस्ट नॉट प्ले इन सनलाइट, तुम्हें सूर्य की रोशनी में नहीं खेलना चाहिए। आर्ट टू, आर्ट टू मीन्स चाहिए। It is used for obligation and duty. We are to obey our parents. We are to be a good student. Used to, used to, used in past tense. It take the first form of the verb. It declared habitual statement. For example, I used to read novel. मैं उपन्यास पढ़ा करता था। माई सिस्टर यूज टू टीज मी एवरी टाइम, मेरी बहन मुझे प्रतिदिन परेशान करती थी। दैट्स ऑल स्टूडेंट्स, आफ्टर सीइंग वीडियो you write the rule of model auxiliary verb in your notebook and do exercise which I am sending you in your WhatsApp. Thank you. I will meet you next video. That's all.